I am absolutely thrilled to see several Boeing women honored tonight and proud to present one of them to you, my esteemed colleague, Delores Alexander. Shaped by the loving influence of parents who value transparency and logic, Delores is a leader who demonstrates exceptional empathy and insight in her working relationships with people. During her 28-year Boeing career, Delores has recognized recognized as an industry expert in leading sourcing and supplier management teams. And I can verify firsthand that she is an excellent multi-billion-dollar negotiator. Delores gives back and pushes forward. She encourages young women to get interested, learn about, and explore opportunities in STEM fields. She is a role model for her mentees, employees, peers, and her leaders. I'm very proud to present Ms. Delores Alexander.
Thank you, Jeanette, and thank you, Boeing Company. My mother, with only a high school education, was one of the smartest women I knew. She encouraged me and my sisters to strive to the best of our abilities and never use life's challenges as an excuse to fall short of our dreams. Whether it was society's biases on color, race, or gender, she said we'd always have to work twice as hard as the next person to be seen as equal. I never felt victimized or marginalized by these societal norms. Instead, I channeled my energy into trying to change those biases through my daily living. I am blessed to live my dream every day at the Boeing Company.